Hey, how is everybody doing today? Welcome to today's edition of Lead Sites Live. My name is Chris. We're joining you here on a Friday for a special session here. This is going a little bit hand in hand with a really fabulous promotion that we have going right now. So I just wanted to, kind of cover the details of that promo and then also exactly what it is, that it covers and, how that benefits you, as the Lead Sites user. So today we're going to be talking about specifically the Squeeze app. So Squeeze, as you guys know, is our landing page generator. Really easy to use, templated based service, just like everything else in the EasyAgentPro backend that enables you to create, sales funnel, marketing effort, really kind of anything that you can picture that you would need someone to log in or sign in or opt in to view more, you can accomplish with the Squeeze app. So this could even be like an open house sign-in sheet that you just kind of keep queued up on your laptop at the front of the house, or a sign up for a Thanksgiving pie giveaway, a pumpkin pie giveaway, or something along those lines. Getting into the holiday season, so I know a lot of agents are thinking about what marketing efforts they can do when people are typically a little bit more focused on family and spending time with family than necessarily just looking at leads and things along those lines. So let's just go ahead and dive right into it. So we have a really fabulous promo that we are going to be offering to our prospective clients this week, and actually for a little while after. So basically, you can get the EasyAgentPro platform for just $125 for your first month with no setup fee. And we will include for you 5 done-for-you Squeeze pages. So we will create for you some landing pages that are proven. They're going to look good. They're going to operate really well. They're going to fit in with any marketing effort that you might already have set up in the back end. So yeah, let's just go ahead and demonstrate to you exactly what Squeeze is and why that is such a good deal. So Squeeze, as I've pulled up here in the app section, is our landing page generator. It enables you to create landing pages that look a little bit like this, and you can edit and kind of see statistics for your current landing pages that you currently have here. This is our demo site, so we actually have quite a few on here, or you can create a new Squeeze very easily. So let's go ahead in there and just kind of explore what these different templates mean. So if you click on the left-hand side here, you're going to see all the various templates that you can kind of sort by. So you have like calls to action, which are going to be like these kind of big kind of design focused pages that are going to have a button that somebody can click on to open up a form where you can edit what the form says. Then scheduling pages, things along those lines. You have the form based landing pages, which have the form directly on the page. Just kind of like a little bit of a design element there. Instead of clicking on the button to expand the form, it's already right there on the page. Little visually, just kind of has like a little bit more of a focus to it. Some of them are email only. Some of them are really simple, get instant access to information about a specific property. You can also find, so a lot of people ask, how can I create single property landing pages? You can make really intricate ones with other templates that I'm going to show you in a moment, but you can also do, these just kind of little like, hey, instantly view, this, particular effort or something along those lines. We also have these really cool login with Facebook style ones, which some folks totally swear by. Other folks are, not quite so warm on them. Basically what that allows you to do is you can sign in with Facebook instead of having to, hit a, like a form or a login thing of some kind. It basically just enables you as a one-click login. You can ask for phone numbers on those particular Squeeze pages if you want to. So if somebody clicks that sign in with Facebook button, you can have a field pop up next that would say, hey, how about your phone number too? Or really however you want it to read. So you do have the option of asking for a phone number, although when someone logs in with Facebook, they are only providing their email address and name technically. In here, we have the contact templates, which are, basically just going to be like kind of like, forms that you can use for like general kind of contact pages. So this might be something that's more along the lines of like a, your url.com/contact or something like that. So those aren't necessarily marketing specific, although they can be edited and exchanged in that way. We have these cool open house sign-in forms. This is one of those ones I was talking about where you can sign in to view information about the open house, and then it can just kind of recycle that over and over again, so that instead of having like a more traditional like clipboard or a written sign-in sheet, you can just have that leads information entered into their house immediately. I think this one is really cool. A kind of a cool idea that I've seen folks recommend with using the open house forms is that instead of just going to a thank you page or something, they have the page itself programmed so that you can basically send to their cell phone number, should they provide one, a guide for like a kind of a self-guided tour through the house, which I thought was a really neat idea. Kind of also encourages them to give you their cell phone number, because it's like, hey, I can text you a guide right now while you're walking around the house. You can reference it. I don't have to bother you. While you're kind of enjoying it. So just kind of do it that way. So always a good idea. We have this just sold template, which is just about kind of seller focused for sure. Mortgage calculator, absolutely a good tool for a buyer. It provides that mortgage calculation straight on the page without having to opt in, but it does have an opt-in form available on it too. So you do have that option. Thank you. This is just our general thank you pages. Thank you for signing up. You can have one that has a video too. And then finally, these big ones, these single property landing pages. These are a little bit more involved. Let's go ahead and try to use one of these. What these are specifically for creating landing pages that are going to be for these are going to be for using the single property app, or just like a landing page like this, in order to make a landing page specifically to market a single listing that you might be having. So, as with anything else with Squeeze, you can click to edit all the information on this page. So the listing images, the background images, all the text over here can be edited as well. Squeeze pages are quite powerful in what they can be automated to do. So, you can have a text message sent out to somebody automatically. So you can send a message to someone that opts in using their cell phone number as soon as they opt in. And that's how you edit the pop-up. So you can see where you can, kind of ask more questions and things along those lines. You can connect this to any kind of marketing materials that you have. So if you click on the paths icon down here, and there we go. Oops. So, if you have a, path set up that's connecting someone with a specific automation, maybe some emails about this house, maybe it's going to drip them listings that are similar to this house, something along those lines. You can also have that set up automatically. So folks are automatically getting information that they need about the listing. And then finally, after you're done editing, you can have it do one of three things. So you can do a download, where somebody will be given a download automatically, should they, kind of opt in on the form. That's more for like maybe a buyer's or a seller's guide or PDF based kind of thing. They can do a redirect. That is really good for redirecting people to like a list of listings or an IDX search that satisfies, some kind of general requirements that they had, for something specific. So also a good one. Or you can just go to one of those thank you pages. I demonstrated exactly what those two were, kind of back there too. So, a lot that you can do with the Squeeze app. And what's so great about this current promo that we have going on right now is that you can receive so you'll basically get 5 Squeeze pages when you sign up, and we will create those and kit those up for you. So just use the promo Squeeze at checkout, and that will get you $125 for your first month, no setup fee, and then we'll set up for you 5 Squeeze pages. These can be tied in to your CRM, like we were talking about, very easily, so that if somebody opts in on one of those landing pages, they get some marketing, things along those lines automatically. So it's a huge part of the services that we provide, and definitely a very intrinsic value to using EasyAgentPro. Landing page services are pretty expensive on their own. They can definitely, kind of become a little bit of an investment over time. We just try to include that plus the CRM, plus everything that you need to kind of market out to folks under one roof. So it's really, really a great pricing option for folks that just want to have everything in one place, and really effectively done, and then also very easy to use as well. So it really kind of comes with our support. Obviously, as you guys know, with EasyAgentPro, you get access to really great support. You can pick up the phone, you can talk to somebody, you can schedule coaching, all that good stuff. So if you ever, were running a campaign and you had a question about squeeze pages, or you needed to set up a squeeze page to a very specific end, but you just had questions about how to do it, we can absolutely help out with that. So so the squeeze promo, just use squeeze at checkout to get that. Definitely recommend that you guys take a look-see at those. We would love to get you in on that promo and kind of show you exactly how good the Squeeze app is and what it can do for your business. So let us know if you guys have any questions about Squeeze or any other promotions that we're currently running right now. And I hope you're having a great Friday so far. Have a great weekend and take care.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching this episode of EAP TV. If you want to see more, click the circular EAP logo to the left to subscribe, or you can watch more videos by clicking on the links to the right.